Dollar Divas, welcome back to Behind the Vanity. I'm Jessica. So today's video is actually another collab with my good friend Dede from Dede Decorte Beauty. So Dede knows that I love Dollar Tree items. I make a lot of Dollar Tree videos and she's done a couple as well herself. And so we thought it would be fun if we bought stuff for each other at our local Dollar Trees because we live in different states. Because, you know, they're so different. Even just in your own town, the Dollar Trees are all so different. And so we each bought each other, made a little gift box of just random stuff, makeup, just all kinds of things, and decided to send it to each other and kind of unbox on camera. So it's a collab swap Dollar Tree haul video, so to speak. So we thought this would be super fun. And if you want to see what my friend Dede sent me from the Dollar Tree, definitely keep on watching. Before we dive into what she sent me, I've done a collab with her a couple months ago, or about a month ago or so. It was a palette bingo. If you have not checked her out, please go check her out and watch her videos. She has just become a really good friend of mine and just beyond YouTube. So definitely check her out. She is just one of the sweetest souls, and she knows her stuff, and she does lots of unboxings. She does different makeup looks, and she has a beautiful makeup collection. So please go check her out and send her some love. I will have Dede's channel linked below in the description box. Be sure to check her out. If you are a brand new Dollar Diva to my channel, first of all, welcome. But if you could comment #DollarDiva, and that's a good way for you to introduce yourself and let me see who you are. And if you are a Dollar Diva and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, it helps me out so much if you subscribe. I'm a small channel, a tiny channel, and by you hitting that subscribe button, it helps me grow. And that is so important to my success here on YouTube. So if you could take just a second and hit that subscribe button, as well as that bell notification, that again helps me out so much. I'm gonna show you what she sent me, and she is also making the same video showing you what I sent her. So this was super fun. I think we were supposed to have a price point at what we were supposed to pick, like how much money we're gonna spend. We never got around to that, and I think we got each other about the same amount of things. I certainly hope so. She was so generous. She is just a doll. I have no doubt that she was way more generous than I was, but I think we were about close. So, and she actually sent me a whole gift box of stuff that samples that she has gotten in her boxy charms, and it was just the sweetest thing. So you will see those things at some point on the channel. You know, the palette. She sent me a couple palettes and different things like that, which was just so sweet, and I'm so glad I could give them a good home. So you will see a lot of those things featured at some point in the future. But today I am just gonna be showing you the stuff that we swapped from the Dollar Tree. First of all, she sent me a lovely little card with a note in there, and I could read it, but it's like a moment between me and my friend. So, but she did send me a lovely little card. So it's just so nice to have something personal from a friend here that I've never met in person, but that I feel like I know so much about because, you know, we show who we are on these videos. So anyway, so it's really nice to have something from her. So the first couple items are actually sheet masks. And I don't know if I have seen these in my local Dollar Tree. Basically, she got me stuff that I don't have, which she did phenomenal. I only hope that I didn't repeat a lot of stuff that she has. And a lot of makeup. She sent me a lot of makeup, and hers is a little bit more random, but she picked me up these two sheet masks. One is rose and the other is gold. One helps firm, tone, and revive skin elasticity. Then the other one offers intense hydration to revitalize, smooth, and soften skin. They take about 15 minutes a piece. And like I said, I don't know that I've seen the rose and the gold. I have seen these sheet masks in there before, but I think there's some different ones, and I have not yet tried them, so I'm so excited. I love Dollar Tree and skincare, so I've never really used much of the skincare at Dollar Tree, so I'm super excited to try. And then I think she knows I love brushes because I've been talking about them a lot, like in my Ipsy Glam Bag unbaggings. So she got me this brush here that has a little unicorn handle, and it is a concealer brush. And I have not seen these in a long time, and I've always thought they were so cute, and I'm so glad she sent me one because I'd never picked them up, and now that I haven't seen them in a while, I kind of wish I had. So then she got me an eyeshadow brush, and this is a Sassy Plush Sheet, and it's got the little zebra handle, which is so cute, and it's an eyeshadow brush, and it's actually kind of a style I don't really have. It's kind of a long, has long bristles, and it's kind of compact, so that is something, these are definitely things that I can use. I will get a lot of use out of them. And then she sent me this, these are so cute. This is the silicone brush cleaner, and she got me the little watermelon one. That is so cute. It has suction cups on the back. This will come in a lot of handy. I'm so excited to use this. So I have the rest of it in this little makeup bag that she had sent me. It's a little Lancome, and it's so cute, so pretty. I love bags too. You guys might not know this about me, but my husband sure does. He always jokes that I need to have a bag to put inside of a bag to put inside of a bag. And so I love like makeup bags and like trains and things like that. So I love rose gold. This is just beautiful. So thank you so much for the bag. You so did not have to do that, but I'm so glad you did. So I'm just gonna dive right in. I'm just gonna pick items out. So I have not seen this line of LA Colors makeup at any of my Dollar Trees. I have a few in the area, but I've seen it a little bit on some other channels, and it's where it's beauty through the decades. And so she gave me a couple of these eyeshadow palettes. They're from LA Colors. One is in Rosy and one is in Fab 4, and this one's from the 40s and this one's from the 60s. And I just think that is such a cute concept. I am so excited. So the first one is Fab 4. Look at how cute. And the little compacts are so compact. I mean, they're just very sleek, very, very, very sleek. So there are the swatches of that one. Those blues are gorgeous. And that shade right there, that peachy shade, it's gonna be a great transition shade. And the other one is Rosy. This is the 40s one. Gosh, and these colors are just simply gorgeous. Again, it's got a nice transition shade in there, just kind of a nice light blending shade. And these are just so pigmented and creamy, and definitely like a standalone palette. I think both of these are gonna be like standalone palettes, which I love when you can achieve that with a Dollar Tree palette. So that is super cool. I'm so excited to try these. And of course, everything that she has gotten me, I will be doing videos with looks and testing out the products and showing you how they work and what they look like. And so super excited about those. So then she got me one of these little e.l.f. quads. This is in Golden Goddess, and we will take this out and swatch this as well. And I have seen great things about these on other people's YouTube videos, that they go on really well. And so again, another standalone palette for sure, which I am super excited about. And the colors are stunning. They are buttery and smooth, and just a wonderful natural little palette. Very, and again, standalone, which I love. So I'm super excited to use that as well. And then I have not seen these in my Dollar Tree, and the color is gorgeous. And it says it's an eyeshadow duo, but I wonder if you could use this as like a travel blush and bronzer as well. It's the e.l.f. Best Friend eyeshadow duo, and this is in Peach Squad. So like I said, I've seen these, but not in the Dollar Tree. I've just seen them like in the store, you know, like in the drugstore. Oh my gosh. First of all, it is so cute. I would imagine it's about half the size of the little, the bite size, the e.l.f. bite sizes, which I don't own any of, oddly enough. Oh my goodness. And again, the packaging is nice and sleek, gorgeous. Those are really pretty colors. Super excited about that. I think that is just the cutest thing, and the colors are gorgeous. I love that. It's very beachy looking. Love it, love it. And maybe kind of a multi-use thing, which is always cool. And I'm hoping too I didn't confuse anything, because I did receive this stuff about a week and a half ago, and I've tried to make sure all the Dollar Tree stuff is together. So hopefully I don't mess this up. I'm always so afraid I'm gonna mess something like this up. Then she got me, and I have not seen this either, and I'm so excited about it. It's the e.l.f. Perfect Blend Concealer. This is in light beige on a little brush. It smells good. And I love like a lighter concealer too. You know, you can always use it to prime your eyelids. I think that's gonna go on perfectly. I think the shade is gonna be perfect for the under eye area. So I am super excited to have that. And then she knows I love eyelashes, that I wear them a lot for my job and on this channel as well. And so she bought me, and I have not seen these. These are the Lash Out by Color Mates. They're also cruelty free. She got me 2 styles. This is Bold and this is Diva, and they are really pretty. They come in the cutest little packaging. And she knows I love me some good, oh, these ones here. I mean, those are nice and dramatic. I am so excited to try these. A girl knows me, for sure. And then I think I've seen these on her channel as well. LA Colors Beauty Through the Decades line. And she got me a blush, a bronzer, and a highlight. So the blush is from the 70s. It is in Groovy. Then she got me this bronzer from the 40s. It's called Working Gal. Super cute. Then there's this highlighter from the 20s, and it's called Jazzy. I just think the little names and everything are so cute. I think she just used this on one of her recent videos, and she loved it, so I'm so excited to try it. So here's what they look like in the pan. So there are the swatches. On the top is the blush, then the highlighter, then the bronzer. And let me say, they are creamy. And that blush is a beautiful color, beautiful color. And it has like that 70s vibe, you know, where girls were wearing like the frosty lips. And I actually kind of did a similar look this weekend for an event. And, you know, kind of the smoky eyes and the tan skin and all that stuff. So the blush, I'm so excited to use the blush. That's beautiful. The bronzer is a nice matte bronzer, super creamy. That, I just can't imagine something like really expensive being better than this. That is gonna be so nice. I love a matte bronzer. And then the highlighter is extremely pigmented and buttery, and I know she really liked this in one of her recent videos. So I'm so excited to use these. Again, something I have not found at my local Dollar Tree. So then a couple random items before I move on to the last 4. First of all, she got me this cute pen. How cute is that with the little diamond on top? That is just the cutest thing ever. That is so, so cute. Oddly enough, as much as I wear eyelashes, I have never used one of these. And so I'm very excited. It's a false eyelash extension applicator. It is just bizarre that I've never used one of these. So I'm really excited to try one of these. I know that's so weird. So yeah, very excited. I wouldn't have thought to buy one for myself at all, for sure. And then she got me this Maybelline Master Precise ink, which I love the Maybelline Master Precise line of eyeliners. I've used their liquid, I've used their pencils. They have one that's like skinny and not. And so I'm excited to use this. This is the Maybelline. This is in Stellar Sand. It's the Ink Metallic Liquid Liner. And look at that. So that's what the little container looks like. That is pretty. Look at that. Very pretty. It's metallic, not too dark, not too light. Very pretty. And it sparkles. That's really pretty. I'm so excited to use this. So the last 3 products are lip products. They're not anything that I have or have even tried, so I'm very excited. So we have the LA Colors Lip Scrub. This is in Juicy, and my lips are just like, they feel like they're perpetually chapped, but I think it's just because I'm a chapstick addict. So this will be cool to use. I'm really excited. It says you can achieve a softer, smoother pout. This orange scented lip balm. This orange scented lip scrub gently exfoliates, leaving lips refreshed and conditioned. You apply it on your lips, gently scrub, and then rinse off. So I'm excited to try that. I sure can use it for sure. Then the second lipstick, this is the Lipstick Hydrating by LA Colors. It's this is in Sorbet. It's creamy wear. It's got vitamin E and aloe. So there is the swatch. Just a very pretty kind of translucent pink, which is gonna be really, really, really pretty, especially when you just want like a soft little hint of color on your lips. That's gonna be really pretty. So last but certainly not least is another lip color, and this one is from the Beauty Through the Decades line. This is from the 40s. This is called Hot Dish. Again, super cute. And it's kind of like a berry or a taupe mauve shade. Ooh, that's really pigmented and creamy. Look at that. That is gonna be so pretty. And I don't have many colors like this. They're either like a lighter version of this or a darker version of this. I think this is gonna just be stunning. So I hope you enjoyed this collab video with me and my good friend Dede Decorte from Dede Decorte Beauty. Again, I will have her channel linked below, as well as her Dollar Tree hauls and our palette bingo that she did, as well as mine as well. And I will have my Dollar Tree playlist linked below. So just go down there and just check out all those videos and subscribe to Dede's channel. Show her some love. I think you'll really like her. And make sure you subscribe, because I do lots of videos like this, Dollar Tree oriented, Makeup Basket Mondays, testing out new products, just affordable beauty in general. So again, just a very special thank you to my friend Dede that has just been so generous, and this was such a fun idea, and I'm so excited to watch you open up what I got for you too. Like I said, I hope you love it. It's always so nerve-wracking to get something for someone else, because you just want them to like it so bad, and you know, you want them to enjoy what you get. And so I can't thank her enough for being so generous and just really finding me some really, really cool things. There were so many things I wanted to find for her that I have bought in haul videos that I wasn't able to find, and I hated that. But I did try to find other things that I think she'll get some use out of. I think she'll be able to use them. So make sure you check out her Dollar Tree swap collab video as well. And again, if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell. Give this video a big thumbs up by hitting that like button. That helps me out so much too. And comment #DollarDiva if you discovered me through this video or one of my Dollar Tree videos. And let me know if you've tried any of these products as well. I'm very excited to try them, and there will be videos coming up of me trying on all of this makeup. So definitely stay tuned for that, as well as some of the other goodies she sent me. So that will all be coming up in the future. I've got a lot of work to do. I can hardly keep up with all of it. So thank you so much for joining, and I will see you next time. Bye.